Today we're going to make a fruit salad. Let's find all the fruits we need and cut them up. What should we add first? Oh, I found an apple. 苹果 Let's cut it in half. Next, a banana. 香蕉 Let's add some grapes. 葡萄 So many little grapes. Let's count them. 1 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 Now how about an orange? 柳橙 Let's cut it open. So juicy. Next is a pineapple. 凤梨 It smells so sweet. Yum! Wow! We have apple, banana, grape, orange, and pineapple. Yay! We made a fruit salad. Great job, everyone! See you next time. Bye-bye.